Hello everybody, Conti here with another video. There are two cut functions in DaVinci Resolve which enable a user to remove video or audio content from the edit timeline and paste this in a different location on the edit timeline. Inside the edit window for this particular project, there are two video clips, sunset and trees. If I wish to remove the sunset clip from the start of the timeline and shift this to a later stage on the timeline using the paste function, using the selection mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, we can first of all select the media clip on the timeline, hold Ctrl and press X to cut. Use Command instead of Ctrl if you are a Mac user. Drag the red playhead to the new starting point on your timeline where you want your pasted media file to play from. Hold Ctrl and press V to paste. As you can see, when we cut the sunset clip, a gap has been left at the start of my timeline, and the trees media file remains in its original position. What if we want the media content in the later stages of the edit timeline to shift to the left to fill out the empty spaces left behind by the cut media clip? I will undo the movement process of the sunset clip by holding in Ctrl and pressing Z twice. Select the media file that you wish to cut, and this time hold Ctrl and press Shift and X to do a ripple cut. And as a result, the media content in the later stages of our edit timeline have shifted back to the earlier stages to cover the gap left by the cut media clip. The red playhead has also maintained its distance from the last trees clip as a result of the ripple cut. Holding Ctrl and press V to paste your media clip as you normally would do when doing a cut and paste process. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.